This, and we're going live, guys. I'm going to try to help people post the link. And I'm waiting for the link. Okay, good morning, everybody on YouTube. Hopefully you made it to YouTube. I know it's late invite. We're going to do this all week. So if you missed today, not a big deal. We are going live right now on YouTube. I'm going to do the pre-market analysis. We're going to stay about 20 minutes together, everybody. Going to try to help you, going to help everybody and talk about what's going on and the disconnect between the market and the disconnect between Wall Street and Main Street here. So we're going to go, and hopefully that will help you for the entire week before the market opens to give you some structure. So let me mute here. Good morning, Joe. Everybody on YouTube, if that's helpful, guys, your likes, comments, appreciated, your engagement, appreciated, and everything. So, good morning, everybody. Three things. Wall Street, Main Street. So on the Main Street, we have US-China deterioration. We have riots. We have an economy that is going to rebound slowly. We have a disconnect, a huge disconnect between what's going on in the economy and the market. The market is being pumped with liquidity daily. We're approaching this right shoulder. I'm going to show you this right shoulder took 5 months last year. At the same time last year, between May to August, October, 5 months, up, down between 2725 and 3100 last year. Left shoulder. We are constructing the right shoulder. I want to show you. We're going to go through some charts. We'll give you some notes. We'll share with you the buy, caution, sell zone, how you box your day, everybody. How you box your day and how do, and let's get this thing rolling. So everybody, good morning. So here's the charts again that I have been pounding for everybody on social media to see. This is your head. This is your shoulder. Look attentively how long it took to do the shoulder, and look attentively when it started. It started in May of last year. May to October, see, right there, October 15. So this shoulder, ding, 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 to October, ding, 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 to May, right, is a 4 to 5 months shoulder. And we start again the symmetry on our tools here. The same symmetry is happening right now on the right side. So here's what's happening. It's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down. We are going to have a 3100 to 3200 because the shoulder could be a little bit higher towards the 3200, right? I don't know. It's higher, lower. All I know is that it's going to be very, very dangerous, everybody, to be long the market between the 3050 to the 3200. So you got to be very careful as they suck you in, that they spit you out. Statistically, if you look at a range of 2750 to 3100, which is about what, 350 points, or let's say 3200, which is 450 points, it's easy. It's 150 points if you divide by tier the entire range. If you divide the range by the 150 points, guess what? We are on the last tier. When you are on the last tier and you chase that last tier, you have 66% chance of losing money. So be very careful of your long. The way I offset my delta short, because I'm looking for short as we are going up, to some text. There's some text that I don't like. So on my watch list, which I'm going to share with you guys all week, good morning on YouTube land. I'm going to share with you. I'm looking for Amazon resistance to reshort. I've done very well with that. Square resistance, I'm going to do very well with that. Netflix is not doing well. You have already, NFLX is already double topping on your weekly chart. Look at this, the 423 Netflix, the 447 Netflix, it's already game over. So those three, Netflix, Amazon, Square, plus I would add a bank, PNC Bank, because I have news for you. I don't think the bank will do well, guys. I just don't think the banks will do well. So here we're approaching resistance like PNC 115, 120, 125 there. To me, it's a big resistance coming on PNC. Okay, so I want to short that resistance on PNC. Okay, now we go in the notes that I have for you for today. So here we are. We have already refined in our live room. And again, I apologize, there's a delay between the live room on Zoom and you guys on YouTube, 1 or 2 minutes. But it doesn't matter, that's a pre-market before the market open to help you have a watch list, a buy zone, caution zone, and a box ready for the week to help you. We're going to try, don't promise, I'm going to try to do that every morning for 20 minutes with you guys live and see if it helps. Okay, if it helps, we'll try to do more, okay? Because crazy time, riots, COVID-19 and economy and blah, blah, blah. And you have also National Guards deployed everywhere in the US. So look at the left shoulder, right shoulder. That's what I want you to keep in mind for this symmetry going into the June, July earnings. Now, a couple of themes before I go to the SPY, the ES. I'll look at Tesla. I think it's going to be interesting. Tesla is going to be interesting this morning. But again, if all of this helped, super appreciated your likes, your comments. Remember, the best way to get in touch with us is and know when we go live, because it's not like set in stone. Usually it's make sure you have the app, because then we send you notification on the app to let you know if we are coming or not. And that's much more efficient than your emails, okay? Because then you don't miss any stream. So couple of themes, complete disconnect, right? Main Street versus Wall Street with the Fed injections. The key question is how much longer the hedge funds, the liquidity will hold this market. The market is politicized, market is pumped, leading to the November election. It is also, it's like in wartime, when they had propaganda, it becomes, the market becomes a propaganda machine to make people feel good about their 401k, about their 401k, the economy, etc. Unless you have been living under a rock, this is not going to be a V-shaped recovery. This will be W recovery that will last another 8 months to 12 months minimum. It's a minimum. It could be a year, it could be 2 years. And by the way, the average bear market, when they are not steep like we've done, they last 2 years. So this type of bear market, everybody, It's going to be another 8 months to 12 months. This weekend, I've been to the mall. So I went with my fiance to 2 malls. We counted each store that I'm going to show you how it's not bullshit. We went to each store. We counted the one out of business, the one that have not reopened, the one that are blah, blah, blah. Okay, let me show you my notes. Because this is so crazy. Here. You see this number? 1576. We counted 17 stores, 15 stores out of business. 15 stores out of business. So this weekend, exercise on a pretty day. Counted total stores by our malls. We have 2 malls. By our mall, 70 stores, 15 out of business, 10 not reopened, 10 plus actually. Yeah, 10, but let's say 10. So let's say 5 out of the 10 goes out of business. It'll be 20 out of 76. So we expect 20 to 30% of the businesses in America, in the malls, I'm talking about commercial malls, within the next 90 days to 6 months to be out. That's done. They are not coming back. Does that make sense on YouTube? My community there live? This is real, guys. This is, I went and counted. See what I mean? I'm counted not what's about to happen. I counted what's happening right now, right? So really, really profound, everybody, you know, really profound, you know. So I want you to keep in mind all of this. And of course, unless you've been living under a rock, here's what we get in Atlanta. You want to see the comical thing in Atlanta? We got on Saturday night a curfew alert in Atlanta at 9:15 for alert on our phone for 9 p.m. curfew. So imagine if I was in Bucket having an ice cream with my wife, you know, and you get arrested because you get the freaking thing 15 minutes after the curfew started. It's like crazy. So curfews, you know, divide between rich and poor, you know. Now, the best hedge fund manager or one of the smartest guys in the world, Dalio. See, I read everything, Dalio, Ray Dalio. Principles, I don't make a dime telling you that, right? Ray Dalio, in an article on LinkedIn, said that after we print money, in economies where we overprint money, over all the history, we get social unrest and we get wars. So Ray Dalio said that a couple of weeks ago, and bam, boom, America is burning in the main cities. So curfew, divide between rich and poor at all-time high. You know, so when is the market going to catch up, right? When is the market going to catch up? Because there's so much liquidity, even though they have a bazooka, you know, there's so much they can do. So you have the backdrop scene. I hope it helps. It's very important when you trade, invest, even day trading, that you see the stuff from above. I always go from above back down to my 5-minute chart. Do you understand? From above, your weekly, your monthly, the economy, down to the 5-minute charts and the full Pro Tool and the retail tool. So let's get going because we don't have a lot of time here. So what we do is we always box. So let's go back to the charts here, the ES. So look, the main box is obvious here, okay? The box is here. It's the same as the previous box. It's about this low here on our full Pro Tool at 2750 area. 2750, remember, I box it like this, 5 months, 4 to 5 months, and I box the symmetry at the same level here, 4 to 5 months, which is 2750 to the 3100, 3200. That's your big box. See this head and shoulder or a little higher shoulder, right? Now, coming for today, for the day trader, it's going to be 2985, 23,025 will be critical. Let me write it down for you guys. I'll give you our entire analysis we did for everybody. I'm going to help you the entire week with everything. 2750, so you write it down. Then you go to this 2925 is going to be critical. I'm giving you the major box numbers, right? You have the 2980 and you have the 3025. You have the 3065. You have the 3100. You have the 3125 and the 3200. Your box is that 3100 to the 3025 this morning. Okay, so let me do this. I'll give you also our entire zones and our entire buy cushion zone. Now, let me show you something on the retail tools so you understand the way we work and we do things. Okay, on the retail tools, I try to help. We do analysis and research for the institutions and the retail traders now for 26 years. That's what I do. I'm a former hedge fund manager of former prop firms. So what we do, look, if I put an ES, is every morning we try to decide. Let me take an hourly chart. That'll be easier for you guys to see, or a 4-hour chart. We try to decide where is the buy zone, where's the caution zone, what is the main trend and the intermediary trend. If you look at the market coming this morning with the can't even take an hourly chart. The main cloud is up, right? Here. Main cloud is out. The intermediary cloud is up. If I switch to an hourly chart, see, with our full Pro Tool, we don't switch nothing. I want to show you how the things are playing out. You need to know your trend, and you need to know, the box for the day. So if I look at the full Pro Tool here, you see it's kind of clear. This is your box, right? You have the cushion zone 2987, you have the 3065, and this is your box. After that, we get more momentum to the next resistance, 93, 3125. Below the 2987, we start going down. It's very important that you structure your day like this, is that you are fluid in your thinking. You are like, okay, this is the caution zone, which is up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Usually when it's up, down, up, down, up, down, I sell a call credit spread here, and I do a put credit spread here. So I stay out of that. So if the market goes up, I make money. Sideways, I make money. Down, make money. Even though I cannot make any promises, I'm explaining the concept. Now, the concept was my T. The concept is very important because it allows you, right, to be fluid with the market. And fluidity is very important with the market. And you see very well the box here. So I'm going to put the box, because we have to wrap it up. We have to go back in the live room with the mastery traders. But here is the box for you guys. So 2750, I'll give you also the notes. So bear with us even as we start the market here. 2925, 2980, 3025, the bottom of your box this morning on the SSPX, right? Then we go 3065, the top of the box. Keep an eye on the 3050 as well. 3100, 3125, 3200. Your big box, the ping pong, bing, 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 bing is here. Okay, that's your box for the day, everybody. And I put the box usually in orange, or I put it in turquoise for our guys. That is a continuation squeeze buy of the market. This is an acceleration. Revisit last week's low in the market. So hopefully that's helping you. I'm going to give you also our analysis number for the day. Let me see if I can insert that. We'll give you a screenshot. Stick on YouTube, guys. And again, if that's helpful, your likes, comment are super appreciated. No, this is not the right date. Insert. So I'm giving you the entire analysis we've done this morning for all the market, people. All the market. I'm not holding any market. I'm giving you all our markets, our Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, all the buy, caution sell zone, guys, on Amazon, on YouTube to help you guys. So your like, comments, if it's helpful, let us know. We are going to save that. We are going to give you the notes right now for the morning. This is a trade also that we are looking at. The debit spread 315, 314 for January. Start small, 1, 2, 3 contract because we have earnings coming in July. Usually July is a strong month, right? But look here, the 314, sorry, it's 314, 315. So I don't know why it says 2, it's 3. And it's a debit spread very tight. So you risk minimum money to make maximum money and open on the short leg with minimum risk, everybody. Okay. So I'm going to give you this one first. This is going to give my guys and you guys this picture of the first Gazo. Okay. So here we go. On YouTube, please, guys, confirm you got the analysis for the day. Analysis page. See, make sure you click quickly on this because before we take the stream down so that you don't lose everything. And the yes here. Okay, page 2. Going to give my guys as well. And you guys have a great day. I hope it will be helpful. We are going to trade. The watch list for us is as follows. I repeat, we are looking at Facebook and Apple playing in the range I gave you. Amazon top for a short. Lower high on Netflix, right? Netflix is doing a double top, is on a double top pattern and looking for 90, 95 square short and PNC Bank short at 118, 125. That's my target. Would be an excellent short for everybody. All right. Hope it helps. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. guys. We are going to do those buy, caution, sell zone together the entire week, and hopefully it'll work and help you to do your own box for the week. You take care, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Again, your likes, comments, super appreciated. And don't forget, download the Day Trading Zones app so that you get in real time the ping when we go live on social media. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. And we are going back into our mastery.